Welcome students. Today we will see exercise 15.2. In that question number 1. Two customers, Shyam and Ekta, are visiting a particular shop in the same week. That is Tuesday to Saturday. That is except Sunday and Monday. Tuesday to Saturday they are visiting a particular shop in the same week. Means both are visiting on the same week only. Each is equally likely to visit the shop on any day as on another day. Okay, means both are visiting maybe on the same day or maybe on the other day. What is the probability that both will visit the shop on the same day, consecutive day and different days? Okay, now here I will write Shyam and Ekta can visit the shop Tuesday, okay, Tuesday to Saturday. That is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Okay, on these days they are visiting. Here let we will assume this as Tuesday as T, Wednesday as W, Thursday as TH and Friday as F, Saturday as S. Okay, now the total possible outcomes are now, that is then the total possible outcomes we will calculate. Total possible outcomes are here I will write here the total possible outcomes I have written here, that is Tuesday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Thursday, Tuesday, Friday and Tuesday, Saturday, like this. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, in this way. That is Shyam and Ekta here. Here after this the total number of outcomes now it is equal to 5 into 5, that is equal to 25. Total outcomes is equal to 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here 5. Now the first portion we will take, that is on the same day, that is probability on the same day. That is if Shyam and Ekta visit the shop on the same day. If Shyam and Ekta visit the shop on the same day. On same day means what? How many are there here? Same day means favorable outcomes are how many? Favorable outcomes is equal to, see, Tuesday, okay, and Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here total favorable outcomes are 5, means on the same day. Now the probability, hence the probability can be calculated as number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. That is equal to 5 divided by 25, that is 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by 5. Now the second one, here what is the second one? On consecutive days that probability we have to calculate. Consecutive day means here, that is if Shyam and Ekta visit the shop on consecutive days. That is consecutive day means favorable outcomes. How to calculate favorable outcomes? The consecutive outcomes are Tuesday, Wednesday, okay, and Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and here also this is Wednesday, Tuesday, this is also consecutive day, and here Thursday, Wednesday, and Friday, Thursday, and here Saturday, Friday, like this. Okay, there are total 8 outcomes are here. Here there are favorable are 8 outcomes and total 25 we have calculated. That is then the probability is equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. total number of outcomes. That is equal to 8 by 25. Okay. Now the third one, if Shyam and Ekta visit the shop on different days. Okay. So now how to calculate this one? We know that is the probability of Shyam and Ekta visit on same day, we know. Visit on same day, that we know. Okay. And this we know. And this plus, here this plus, that is the probability of Shyam and Ekta visit on different days. This plus this is equal to what? 1, because that we know that P of event plus P of not an event is equal to 1. Here Shyam and Ekta visit on the same day and they are not visiting on the same day, means that is on different day. That is equal to like this. Here Shyam and visit same day means the probability we know, that is here it is equal to 1 by 5. Now we will substitute that one. Here 1 by 5 plus, that is the probability of Shyam and Ekta different day is equal to 1. Then the probability of Shyam and Ekta different day is equal to 1 minus 1 by 5, which is equal to 5 ones are 5, 5 minus 1, 4, that is equal to 5. 4 by 5, that is equal to 4, that 4 by 5. Okay, this is the solution. We will go for next one. Exercise 15.2. In that question number 2, a die is numbered in such a way that its faces show the numbers 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 6. That is like this it is written. It is not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is thrown 2 times and the total score in 2 throws is noted down. Complete the following table which gives the few values of the total scores on the 2 throws. Okay. Now here number in the first throw and number in the second throw. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Instead of that one, the faces have been written like this: 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 6. And here also 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 6. Total score in 2 throws is noted down. Here the total, that is 1 plus 1 here. Here 1 plus 2 here. That is 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 3, 4 here. And 1 plus 3, 4. And 1 plus 6, 7. In this way, here 2 dice are there. Here 2 dice. Okay. Both dice. Okay. Here they have written, that is 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 6. Like the same 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 6. And here this and this both have been thrown as we have written in the last exercise. That is 1 with 1. That is 1 with 1. This is 1. And 1 with 2. 1 with 2. 1 with 3. 1, 3. 1, 6. Like this. We have to make a combination. That combination is given here only. Here this is what? This is 2 plus 1. Okay. That is equal to 3. Directly I will write. This is 2 plus 2. That is equal to 4. Okay. That is equal to 4. And here 2 plus 2. Here also 4. And 2 plus 3. 5. 2 plus 3, 5. 2 plus 6, 8. And here 3 plus 1. That is equal to 4. And here 2. 3 plus 2. This 3 plus 2 is 5. Of course. This is 5. And this is also 5. And 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. And 3 plus 6 is 9. And 3 plus 1, 4. Here 3 plus 2 is 5. Here also 5. This is 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 3, 6. And 3 plus 6, 9. Okay. This has been completed. Okay. Now we have to calculate this probability. First portion we will see what is the probability that the total score is even. The total score is even. Total number of outcomes, first I will write. Total number of outcomes. Here total number of outcomes is equal to what? This is 6 into 6, that is equal to 36. 36 total trials are there. Total score can be here. Total score can be here. Even means, that is total score can be here. Even That is, what is the probability that the total score is? The total score is here. How many? Even means what? That is 2, 4, 6, 8, and here up to 12 is there here in this series. Up to 12 is there here. These are the even numbers. How many outcomes are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 outcomes are there. Okay. Now here we will write here like this. The total score is these many are even numbers. And how many are these? How many are there here? Here see 1. Here this is okay. This is 1. Okay. Here not there. Here 2, 4, 6, 8 total 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, total even numbers are, total outcomes will be equal to 18. Favorable outcomes. Now the probability is equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. That is equal to what? Here 18 by 36. 18 ones are 18 twos are. This is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. This is even. That is probability of even. And the probability of the total score is 6. How many? That we have to calculate. Here second one, probability of 6 we have to calculate. Now here same thing. The total number of outcomes, it is same only. The total number of outcomes is equal to 36. That is total of score is equal to 6. How many? That is number of outcomes favorable. They are here. We will count here. This is total score is 6. This is only 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Only 4 number of 6 are there here. Okay. Then the number of outcomes favorable is equal to 4. Then probability is equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Okay, outcomes is equal to 4 divided by here 36. The 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36. That is equal to 1 by 9. Now the third portion, that is total score is at least 6. That is probability of the score at least 6. Means this is the meaning of this one is, that is 6 are greater than 6. Okay, that we have to calculate. That is total number of outcomes, that will be same 36 only. And here number of outcomes favorable, they are is equal to, that is at least 6 means 6 and greater than 6. Here see, this is here 1, 2, 3. This is 3. Okay, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Total 15 are there. Okay, so the total 15 number of outcomes are there which are having at least 6 or more than 6. Here this is equal to 15. Now the probability P, that is probability is equal to same thing, number of outcomes, the number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes, that is equal to 15 by 36. Okay, this is 15 by 36. This can be written as here 3 5s are 15, 3 12s are, that is equal to 5 by 12. Okay, this is the probability. We will go for next one. Here exercise 15.2, in that question number 3. Here a bag contains 5 red balls, some blue balls. If the probability of drawing a blue ball is double that of a red ball, determine the number of blue balls in the bag. Okay, a bag is there here. A bag is there here. Red balls, 5 red balls are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 red balls are there, and here X number of blue balls are there. Here B, B, B and B, like this. Here we don't know the how many numbers here, but we know 5 red balls. This is 5 and this is X. X number of blue balls are there. If the probability of drawing a blue ball, that is probability of drawing a blue ball, is equal to double that of the probability of red ball. Okay, this he has given. The bag contains, I'll write here, the bag contains red and blue balls. Red and blue balls. And number of red balls is equal to 5. And number of blue balls is equal to X. Okay. Then total number of balls is equal to 5 plus X. Okay. This is given. And probability of drawing a blue ball is double that of the red ball. That is probability of blue is equal to 2 into probability of red ball. Okay. This also is given. Now we will calculate the probability of drawing a blue ball. Probability of drawing blue ball, that is equal to what? Number of blue balls divided by total number of balls. Here number of blue balls is X, we have assumed, divided by total number of balls means 5 plus X. Okay, this is equation number 1. This is P of blue ball. Now in the second equation, that is probability of drawing red balls, we will calculate. Drawing a red ball, that is equal to number of red balls divided by total number of balls. Here he has given, that is number of red balls is equal to what? Here that is equal to number of red balls is equal to 5 divided by 5 plus X. This is 5 plus X. This is P of red. Okay, this is equation 2. Now this one here, as per this, P of blue is equal to 2 into P of red. P of blue is equal to 2 into, this is equal to P of red. Okay, now we will substitute this P of blue and P of red from equation 1 and 2. Substituting values of P of blue and P of red in above equation. Okay, now P of blue is equal to what? Here X divided by 5 plus X, and here this is equal to 2 into here this red, that is 5 divided by 5 plus X. Okay, now we will solve for this X. Here 5 into 2, 10. Here X by 5 plus X is equal to 10 by 5 plus X. Here actually this gets cancelled. X is equal to 10 only. This is X equal to 10. That is number of blue balls, what we have assumed, they are equal to 10 numbers. Okay, now he has asked for that only. This is the solution. Determine the number of blue balls in the bag, that is equal to blue balls is equal to 10 numbers. Okay, we will go for next one. Exercise 15.2. In that question number 4, a box contains 12 balls, out of which X are black. Here one box is there. Here it contains total 12 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 balls, out of which X are black. That is number of black balls, that is equal to X. If one ball is drawn at random from the box, what is the probability that it will be a black ball? If 6 more black balls are put in the box, the probability of drawing a black ball is now double of what is before. Find X. Okay, now here we will write here given, whatever given we will write now. Given total balls in the box, total balls in the box. They are equal to 12. Okay. Now black balls. How many are there? Black balls is equal to X that he has given. Okay. Now probability of drawing here. By knowing this one, the probability of drawing black ball is equal to what? X by 12, because this is total number of black balls divided by total number of balls in the box. Okay. Now here, if 6 more black balls are put in the box, okay, here total 6 more are added here. They are black balls. Here they are black balls. Now total number of balls. Now it is total number of balls. Then what it is? It is earlier it was 12 plus 6. This is equal to 18. 18 balls. Total balls is equal to 18. Number of black balls. Here number of black balls. Earlier what? They are X. Now they are adding 6. Total X plus 6. Okay. Now X plus 6 black balls. Now what happens? The probability of drawing a black balls. Now here the probability of drawing, now we will calculate. Now drawing black balls is equal to what? Here number of black balls total, that is X plus 6, and here total number of balls, that is equal to 18. Okay. Now here he has given one more equation. The probability of drawing a black ball is now double of what it was before. Okay, that is old probability will be double. Now new probability will be double of the old probability. New probability is equal to 2 into old probability. Okay. So new probability is nothing but what? Here this is X plus 6 divided by 18 is equal to 2 into old probability means what? Here X by 12 here. This is X by 12. X by 12. Now X plus 6 divided by 18 is equal to 2X by 12. Okay. Here 2 ones are 2 6s are. Okay. And 6 with cross multiplied with this one. 6X plus 6 6 is 36 is equal to 18X. Now 18X minus 6X is equal to 36. Here this is 12X is equal to 36. X equal to 36 by 12. 12 ones are 12 threes. That is X equal to 3. That is X is equal to 3 means what? That's what he has asked. That is find X. X means what? They are black balls. Means earlier there were 3 number of black balls were there. We'll go for next one. Exercise 15.2 in that question number 5. A jar contains 24 marbles. Some are green and others are blue. If a marble is drawn at a random from the jar, the probability that it is green is 2 by 3, and find the number of blue balls in the jar. Okay. Here total number of marbles here, how many? That is 24. Total number of marbles. First we will calculate this one. This is equal to 24. This is given. Okay. Let number of green is X. Let us assume number of balls, that is green balls, number of green balls is equal to X. Okay. Because he has not told how many green and how many blue. Okay. Now green we have assumed as a X. Then number of blue balls or blue marbles. Okay. Here now blue marbles is equal to what? Here 24 minus X. Okay. When green is X means blue is 24 minus X, because the sum of both it is equal to 24. Now given the probability, that is the probability of drawing a green marbles, probability of drawing green marble, he has given this one. This is equal to 2 by 3. Okay. This is also given. Now we will calculate this one. That is probability of drawing green marbles is equal to number of green marbles divided by total number of marbles. Okay. Now here this is equal to number of green marbles is equal to what? Here x we have assumed here. X divided by total number of marbles, that is 24. And here the probability of drawing a green marble he has given, that is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 he has given. Okay. Then cross multiplication, that is 3x is equal to 24 into 2, that is 48. Now x is equal to 48 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 and here 3 6 is 18. That is x is equal to 16. Means what we have assumed x, that is green marbles. Here green marbles are 16. Here number of green marbles, that is x is equal to 16 numbers. Now blue marbles is equal to what? Blue marbles is equal to 24 minus 16, that is equal to 8. Okay, 8 numbers. Hence whatever he has asked, find the number of blue balls. They are number 8. Blue balls is equal to 8. Okay, thank you.